Alan, can you explain? We are in the electrical power unit, no?
Yeah, we had the cup here. We took it off the cup.
The cap, okay.
We took it off, and the cup has in it one hole.
One hole here.
And we see seawater is inside.
The humidity was accumulated over there.
So this belongs on the bottom. It's the bottom here. So I started to take this bolts, and it has on it no sealant.
Oh, wow.
And so here is no sealant.
Perfect.
Then
Okay.
we're taking the next one off. We want for the camera, and we want to see how is the sealant. We will wait for Akasha too with one more camera.
One more camera. Okay, no problem.
So this one is running too.
Yeah, it's running.
And we want to be closer or further, or everybody's ready?
It's okay.
Ready?
So
We're going to remove all of them.
this one has the sealant, looks like, on the face, and this one doesn't.
Mm-hmm.
So here's nothing here, and this one had sealant.
They put a little. It's not an O-ring. It's silicone, no?
Silicone.
Yeah, it's silicone. Okay.
One had it, this one had it, this one doesn't have it. And I would suggest on the threads, what do you think? The threads needs it? Because here when you pinch the silicone
Normally,
so
I
hard,
prefer on the thread,
Yeah, me
lock
too.
tight.
Yeah.
Do you think it would be enough to stop the water from in
Yeah.
on the thread? And what about just on the face?
So here's one already.
A little silicone.
Everyone has a good focus. You have a good.
Or
Yes.
an O-ring, a small O-ring.
Uh-huh.
You have a good focus.
Yes.
Now they try to put a silicone in all the bolts.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-huh. Silicone.
They tried, but
Mhm.
I don't think it works.
I'm not sure if it's enough.
And now we need something to take
Okay.
this.
Yeah. Let me bring one. The plate is not threaded, no?
No, it's
The-
just flat.
It's
On the
not.
on the face is a machine face
Uh-huh.
with a sealant,
Yeah.
and then the back side of this one has a rough surface.
Yeah. It's coming.
And your camera works, and you have now.
Yes.
So we need to see how is it in here, because this decoder has water for sure. There we go.
Go ahead.
So we're gonna keep the position the same, and there's
Look,
the
look,
corrosion.
look, Mama.
Yeah, there's the corrosion.
Humidity, water. And you see, the water is not from here. It's from the middle.
Okay.
You see?
Uh-huh.
So from this, where are we gonna see when we're gonna go?
So from the wire side, you mean?
Yeah, it's from here.
Uh-huh. So the hole doesn't
Look at
matter.
the amount of water. It's a lot.
Mm-hmm. You're gonna see a lot. It's gonna
A
make
lot
mess.
for that circuit board.
Yeah. Okay, we keep going.
It's so tight.
Mira, mira. You took the video?
Uh-huh.
Oh wow! You see the amount of water?
Yeah, I can make
That motor was at 10 minutes to be broken.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's all it can open. 'Cause
Yeah,
the encoder
yeah.
wire holds it. This one's in way better shape than yesterday though. But yeah, we needed to know about this water.
Look, the water is coming out.
So now we can show you, because this is, I saw on a picture, we installed in April. Do you want to see how it looks? That was installed in December. You can get just like the hammer and this, and we're gonna open the other one and show you.
Oh.
Just take this out.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
So that's 6 months older than the other one.
That winding is completely damaged.
And do you think about this one, if you clean everything, you can make it run again just for 1 month?
This is magnet.
Just 1 month? No?
No.
With
Needs to be replaced.
No.
antiox and one
No.
more decoder.
No.
No?
Once the water oxidize the winding like this, the varnish in between the wires is cracked, and you are in short. This is in short.
Yeah, I went in short.
Yeah.
I tried to kick. Sometimes I can kick it and it goes again. One more week, and then this one now, no.
No.
Okay, so
Oh wow.
we can look where did the water come from and try to figure it out.
Wow, that's a lot of water.
And you can see on this one, from this side, this is all clean.
Yeah, the grease was clean. Here's the nose cone. The grease was pretty good. The bearing was good. Here was one bearing.
Yeah, but the winding no.
Right.
Yeah, but until here was okay, right?
Yeah, correct.
But the idea is
until this point, yes.
to make the investigation where did the water come from and how to make it better, because we want to help him, you know. So here has only this little seal, but I don't know, did the water come here?
Okay. The only possibility is here, from here. But you say that the cables are coming from a dry area.
Yeah, I have all the video, you can see. So here is in the back room, the cables goes down, the motor is here. You can see all this dust, everything here is dry and dusty. This is after the hurricane, this is yesterday.
Yes, yes.
So we had all this rain to the boat, nothing.
Nothing, yeah.
Look, all this dust, this is 3 days of rain, dry. Here's one encoder for the steering encoder.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So we have the joystick.
Yeah, yeah.
2 motors. Both this motors, it's good. This motors has, how long in the motors? 2 years.
Yeah.
Here this motor's 2 years, this encoder's 2 years. And this is the wires that enter. They go down 3 feet now.
Where here? Like,
Wow, I am frustrated with this.
yeah, me too.
We have one more project if we have time and you have the patience. But it's a different subject.
But we,
First,
but we need to solve this.
you'll love this one more, is electrical.